Which personality disorder is marked by social inhibition and feelings of inadequacy? What disorder involves an excessive need to be taken care of? Which personality disorder involves a preoccupation with orderliness and control? What type of personality disorders are characterized by irrational suspicions and mistrust? What type of personality disorders are characterized by erratic behavior and emotional instability? What type of personality disorders are characterized by excessive anxiety and fear? What is the first step in overcoming personality disorders? What is a critical component of developing self-awareness? What personality trait involves being outgoing and sociable? What is the term for the positive perception of oneself and one's abilities?